Hey again, everybody. Monday morning, 8:12. Coming back after a trip and then a power and internet outage last week. Anyhow, I've got the Astro Excel look for the week ahead. We've got the upward pressure above the 10 line here, moving into a peak today at noon. And then it starts to roll back over, makes a push down into Tuesday, 4 a.m., comes back up above the 10 sideways till 1600 and then dips down into the evening at about 2300. Moving into Wednesday, it's back up above the 10 line, between the 10 and 20 line all day. Thursday dips back down, bouncing around the 10 line up to about plus 16, plus 17 at 1 a.m. on Friday, and then pushes downward to the 10 line the rest of the day on Friday. So it's in positive territory. Most of the week it's above the 10 line, the plus 10 line. Makes that dip Tuesday down to the 0 line. On the blue line spike peaks, we've got a spike low at 1 a.m. this past morning. We've got a 10 hit here at 8 a.m., a 10 hit here at 1600. We've got a plus spike here at 2200, and then on Tuesday we hit this spike low at 1500. Moving into Wednesday, we come down, almost hit the minus 20 line here. That's at 1400, so that could be an important pivot point in contrast to the green line high at the same time. Thursday, we've got this spike low 9 a.m. And then Friday, we've got the spike low at 6 a.m. And then late in the day, Friday at 1500, we've got a little bit of a spike peak here. So that's the Astro Excel look for the week ahead.